Oh, thank you so much for cleaning. You're such a big help. Uh-oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. How about you just help clean and not eat the broom? Good job, buddy. Look at you. You're good at that. What a big help you are. Thank you. You want to blow some kisses to Grandma and Grandpa? Blow some kisses. Say, I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Want to blow some kisses? No? Mwah.